How does the millage rate affect my property tax bill? Imagine your property tax bill as a pie, and the size of the slice depends on the millage rate. The higher the rate, the bigger your slice of the pie. The millage rate is set by local authorities each year and tells you how much tax you pay per $1,000 of your property's assessed value. 1 mil equals 1/10 of a cent or $0.001. To figure out your property tax, you multiply your property's assessed value by the millage rate and then divide by 1,000. For example, if your home is assessed at $100,000 and the millage rate is 20 mils, your tax bill would be for $1,000. Local governments like counties, cities, and school districts decide the millage rate based on their budget needs. Each authority sets its own rate, and the total rate you pay is the sum of all these individual rates. Your property's assessed value is usually a percentage of its market value, determined by a local assessor. For instance, if your home is worth $350,000 and the assessment ratio is 20%, your taxable value is $70,000. The millage rate then applies to this assessed value, not the full market value. If the millage rate goes up, your property taxes will increase, even if your home's value stays the same. If it drops, your taxes will decrease. Local governments often adjust these rates to meet their budget needs without collecting more than necessary. Keeping an eye on changes in the millage rate helps you plan for your yearly tax bill. You can also look into appealing your assessed value if you think it's too high, or see if you qualify for exemptions or tax relief programs. These options can lower your taxable value and reduce your overall tax bill. Understanding how the millage rate impacts your property taxes is key to planning for tax savings. By tracking the rate and your assessed value, you can better estimate your future tax payments. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions about record keeping and deductions, which can lead to potential savings. Remember, the millage rate is a major factor in determining how much you owe, so staying aware of any changes is a smart move for managing your property taxes effectively.